time. It is a river whose flow cannot be stopped. If we were to peer back into this river millions, even billions of years, could we truly understand the story of our planet and ourselves? A story that began in a cloud of fire and dust, and from which the first spark of life emerged. This is the epic journey of Earth and human history, a journey that began 4.6 billion years ago. Our story begins approximately 4.6 billion years ago, when our solar system emerged from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. The shockwave from a nearby exploding star may have caused this cloud to collapse, forming a solar nebula. Within this swirling disk, particles collided and stuck together, forming planetesimals and then protoplanets. The last major event in Earth's formation was the moon-forming impact, when a Mars-sized protoplanet collided with our nascent Earth. The collision was so violent that it released enough energy to vaporize rock and metal from both bodies, creating a disk of material around the Earth. Over time, this vapor cooled and clumped together, taking the shape of our moon. As the Earth cooled and its first solid crust formed, volcanic activity gave rise to the initial atmosphere and oceans. It was during this volatile period that the first signs of life appeared. Around 3.5 to 3.4 billion years ago, the first single-celled organisms, such as cyanobacteria, came into existence. These were simple, single-celled life forms without a central nucleus. These organisms, some of which began the process of photosynthesis, initiated a major event about 2.3 billion years ago, known as the Great Oxidation Event. They produced vast amounts of oxygen, which fundamentally changed the chemical composition of Earth's atmosphere. This oxygen was toxic to many organisms of that time, but it opened up new evolutionary pathways for more complex life forms. Subsequently, Earth faced severe ice ages, sometimes referred to as snowball Earth. These repeated environmental pressures forced life to evolve new and complex strategies for survival. Approximately 541 million years ago, the Cambrian Explosion began. This was a rapid evolutionary diversification in which almost all major animal phyla suddenly appeared in the fossil record. This event led to a massive increase in marine life, and subsequently, life took its first steps onto land. Next came the Age of Dinosaurs, or the Mesozoic era. During this era, dinosaurs established their dominance on land. But this reign came to an abrupt end 66 million years ago with the KPG extinction event. A massive asteroid struck the Earth, causing an impact winter, and leading to the extinction of more than 75% of all species, including the non-avian dinosaurs. The end of the dinosaurs opened up new ecological niches for mammals. In this new Cenozoic era, they evolved rapidly and became the dominant life forms on Earth. It was during this time, approximately 34 million years ago, that Earth entered a new ice age which continues to this day. These climatic changes played a significant role in our evolution. Our ancestors, the hominids, began to walk on two legs in Africa millions of years ago, a crucial development likely driven by a shift from forests to savannas. The majority of human history was spent in the Stone Age, when humans were nomadic hunter-gatherers. But about 12,000 years ago, the Neolithic Revolution changed everything. Humans began farming and domesticating animals, forcing them to settle in permanent villages. Following the agricultural revolution, the first great civilizations arose, such as the Indus Valley and Mesopotamia. Then, in the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution transformed the world. Handcrafted goods were replaced by mass production in factories, leading to an unprecedented rise in urban populations. In the 20th century, two world wars and the Cold War shaped geopolitics. This was followed by the space race, where humans landed on the moon, and the arrival of the internet, computers, and mobile phones, which ushered in the digital age. In the billions of years of Earth's history, humanity's existence is less than the blink of an eye. Yet in this short span, we have fundamentally changed our environment and our lives. Today, we use technologies like nanotechnology and 3D printing to explore new possibilities. This journey continues. The question is, what will the next great era bring, and where will we take it? What do you think about how the Earth formed? Tell us in the comments. If you like the video, do not hesitate to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Do not miss to hit the bell icon.